Here I have REALME C25s, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the sound and vibration, and here you have Do Not Disturb. You can switch this mode here, you can add a schedule for it. For example, you can change its name, you can select start time, end time, and you can also select days on which it will repeat. You can add exceptions to this mode, you can allow notifications, you can allow messages, you can allow calls. You also have an option ring for repeat calls, which basically means if the same person calls you a second time within 3-minute period, this call will be added to exceptions too. And you can also silence media when Do Not Disturb mode is on. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.